Burrito. Dad. Papa. Dad. 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 Papa, are you dead? Dad. Dad, are you dead? Papa. Papa, I'm bored. So go play with your brothers. Yeah, but they're at my friend's house. Wait, they're at your friend's house? Yup. But you weren't invited. Nope. Well, bad for you. But I'm bored. I want to do something. So I was wondering, want to play with me? No. Why? Because I have some important work to do. Oh. Well, what am I meant to do then? Oh, and I'll play with your toys. Dad gave me a bunch of bombs for toys. They all blew up. I have no toys now. Oh. Well, sucks for you. Dad, what am I meant to do? I don't know. Go get like a dog or something. Oh, a dog. Thanks, Dad. Wait. No, I was joking. Dang it, now we're gonna have another pet. Ah, the pet store. Now let's see, what kind of pets do I want? Okay, what do we got here? Okay, so a rat. Okay. Okay, what do we, oh, hey George, how you doing, buddy? Pika. Oh, you live here. Nice. Pika. Oh, it smells? Like what? Pika. Okay then. What do we got? Hello? George, is he alive? Pika. Okay then. What's that? Woo. Whoa. Well, this one's not too small, too weird, too dead. Perfect. But heavy. Oh, he already has a leash. Sweet. Okay, I don't see any employees, so I'm just gonna, borrow it and never bring it back. That's fair. Shh, Dad, I got a dog. Where? I don't see it. It's behind you. Oh! Hello, dog. I'm gonna name him. Like what? Chompy, or like Liquor, or Heavy Man. Nope. George. Wait, isn't George already like that weird yellow rat thing? Yeah, but this guy's Georgie. So George and Georgie. You're a pet. But I don't care. Time for me to go back to sleep. Come on, Georgie, let's go play. Okay, Georgie. We just moved to the other side of the couch. Because, yeah. Oof. I don't know what you want to do. Huh. We can wait for my brothers to come back. They can, be jealous because I got a pet and they didn't. Yeah, I guess that is boring. You want to watch a movie? Okay, what movie? Okay, Secret Life of Pets. Okay, get the remote. Oh man, that was so much fun. He's like the best dog ever. I know. It was like if we had a dog, we would like play with it so many times. I know. Oh no. Look, Buzz sleeping. Papa already got. Coochie, coochie, coo. Who's that good boy? So, like, does he have a name? Oh, there's a name tag over here. It says, Georgie. Wow, so original. What should we do? Hey, go get some toys for him to play with. Okay. Oh, who's a cute boy? Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, Jesus, it's getting dark in here. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, whatever. Okay, so, I got a few toys here, so, okay. Okay. Pick a toy. Go pick a toy. Oh, I think it likes the Slinky. Oh, you like the Slinky? Watch. Wow. It's cool, right? Okay then, I guess you don't like Slinkies. What else do you bring? Well, we're in Bowser Jr.'s room, so I just got whatever he had. Oh, okay. So these are his? Mm-hmm. Okay, hopefully he doesn't mind. Okay, you got one of the Ninja Turtles, okay. Come on, look at the cool toy. Okay, does not like turtles. That's harsh. Well, okay, so I got this giant dinosaur that Bowser Jr. had. Oh, okay. Maybe he will like it because it's bigger than him? Well, now we know how the dinosaurs really went extinct. Yep, no point for school now. Huh. Well, I have one last toy. But it's probably gonna be chewed up anyways. Yep, I hear someone coming. Come on, run! Grab the dog. Guys? Hey guys? My toys. They're all chewed up. Oh, I'll get them back. I will.